Okay, how you doing, folks? Hope you guys are doing good. This is part 2, and how to break it down. If I make a mistake on this video on what I say, just bear with me. I'm trying to get everything in this video and whatnot. Okay, let me start off with, I had to change this, as you can see here. On one of the videos, it did have, you know, the contact and everything was fine, but it doesn't have enough power. That's why they use 2 coils. I've learned that. So during the mistakes, from trial and error, you learn from your mistakes. So in here, let me explain. It has aluminum on the outside, but inside it has metal. It does shake it slightly, but it doesn't shake how it's supposed to shake a regular tattoo machine. So keep in mind, this is just an invention that I wanted to do. I am not a tattoo artist. I do know about tattoos. I've done them before, but I quit because I didn't want to mark anybody else, and I found out that it's a sin to be marking people. So okay, side note, you're wondering if the drone on top works. It works also, but I also learned that it's faulty. It has faultiness when you take it apart. It starts not to function how it's supposed to function, and everything runs fine. It's just it doesn't. You'll see. I'll show you. So I have it connected so you can see what it does. Because if you're wondering, oh, it could be the coil, it could be this, it could be that, but that's not the case. I figured it out, and it's because it doesn't have enough power. So let me try it. Something else. I think I have the switch. So I don't know if you can hear it. But here we go. This sticks on there. You see? You hear that? You see? So it's not that, it's just it doesn't have sufficient power to lower it. To lower that back there. So for the drone, let me go back so you can see. Right? And yes, it's in the air. Let me pause the video for a bit. So of course I have to calibrate it. I can't calibrate it like that all crooked, as you can see. But I need to take it off of this. If I can unhook it. Alright. So how it comes off is through there. Let me give you a brief look. Kind of crooked because the legs are crooked. They're not very well leveled, but that can be fixed. So that's how it looks when you hold it. I have that on there so it'll have, you know, your hand, but that's how it looks. And the switch, the light also works, but I gotta put the box back on it for me to show you. But for now, just leave it like that. Let me show you all around how it looks, so you can get a good idea. Alright. So that's how it looks. Right from the top. It's first of its kind. Remember, I did this not to tattoo people, but to actually remove tattoos. You can remove tattoos with salt, baby oil, and lemon. You mix it well, and you have to inject it inside the same tattoo, and it's a due process. Or you can use Neosporin, and same thing, you inject it inside and it's a due process. You gotta wait till it cures. So let me show you all around how it looks. It would have been awesome if the thing didn't have like faultiness. Like as soon as you take it apart and you put it back together, that's it. Like to program it, it's complicated. That sucks. But it is what it is for the moment. So let me try it out so you can see what I'm talking about. Also, is more extendable, these legs. They can extend more. But let me try it out. I have to calibrate it, but you know what? Just you see, but it won't go up. You see, one quits. And that's what it does. I can't figure it out. I've tried calibrating it. I've tried this like that. That doesn't work. I'll demonstrate that also. And it sucks. I really wanted this thing to fly. I mean, I can get another one, but if I'm going to take it apart to put it in here so it'll do the same thing again, it's a waste of money. They got to figure out another way so it'll be easier. Now look, I do this. It doesn't do absolutely nothing. And inside the manual, it tells you to do this, but it doesn't do squat. And then this. That's the only thing it does on that. But nothing here. It's like, it's a waste. So it works though. Everything works. I just don't get that part. You see, it won't. The one at the end, as you can see, it won't do anything. And then when I do this, sometimes it kicks in. So I have no idea what's wrong with it. But I'm pretty sure to lift it because this is not that heavy. But what a disappointment. And then it shuts off by itself. But it would have been cool, you know, if you see, if it would get up. But it is what it is. I did learn from all the, you know, mistakes I made. It was a learning experience. So if you have any comments, or I don't know, I might sell it like that as is, and it could be used as something on a display or something. But yeah, I got that one so it'll match. First, you have to get one that's magnetic. Make sure you get that says magnetic, because I got one and they sold it to me as a jewelry and I wasn't aware of that and all that stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna leave you some other stuff down below, some other links so you can check it out. And I'm out, and have a good day. I tried my best, and it is what it is. So I'm out. Peace. Okay, I'm back at it again. I'm trying to troubleshoot it. This is a comparison. This is where it used to be, and this imitation, this cheap one. That's why I got it cheap. I didn't get the expensive one because just in case, because every time you take apart anything that's electronic, you don't know what's gonna happen while you're taking it apart. But in my case, since I'm very neat and stuff, I know I didn't damage anything in here. I'm pretty sure that's something else to do with this. So that's the comparison. The other is I'm charging it. As you can see, the red light, and it's level. You see, it's pretty level. And the other is that I've noticed that they shake a little bit. These legs, these arms shake, and it's maybe because of the screws that it has. I have to put lug nuts on it, like miniature lug nuts, like the ones the legs have, so it'll be sturdier. Because maybe anything can prevent it from flying, from vibration or whatnot. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna try it, and if you don't see maybe a third video, then maybe because it's actually the drone, the electronic inside that doesn't function right. But as you can see, everything's pretty leveled and whatnot. Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna troubleshoot it. I gotta wait till it charge. Okay, as you can see, it stopped charging, so it's done. The little red light is not on there. So let me just take this apart, unplug it. Alright. So okay, here we go. So according to the manual, it said to reset it 1, 2, and then you let go. Then you go down and up, or up and down, as you can see. But you see it has a slight wiggle. And then it does this. That one propeller doesn't work. And then it does that. But as you can see how they run, the propellers. So yes, it has a slight movement, like it shakes. You see how that one shakes? Like it shakes a lot in comparison to the others. Alright, the other is you see this? And then it shuts off by itself. So I have to do this. Turn it back on. You see now? You see that? Now what is that? Shuts off by itself. It was working fine when I got it, Let me try something else. Doesn't work. Oh wait, I'm gonna turn it on. You see it's blinking. Now I shut 2 of them off. Yeah, this definitely needs to be reprogrammed. I just don't know how to do that. Try it again.